Hey, what's going on, guys? Brandon here with Texas Revving with a quick little point of view drive video on my Ranger Raptor. If you guys are new here and haven't been following along, this is my 2025 Ranger Raptor in Desert Sand. ADD edge bumper, very, very cool, fairly new. I'll put a link in the description if you guys are interested. But yeah, let's go ahead and get on in here and rip it around the property some. I haven't done a point of view drive video yet, so excited to see how this turns out. Let's go ahead and start it up here. All right. I think initially we're going to go ahead and start off by pressing my mode, this R button twice here, and what I configured that is Baja exhaust, normal suspension, sport steering, and we're going to go ahead and keep it in 2 high, but turn the traction fully off here. So just hold that down, give it a little rip like this around the property, and then after that we'll go ahead and try Baja mode, and that should allow it to hold the gears a little bit more. We're going to keep it in automatic mode for now. And I think in this kind of video, the only time I'm going to talk is tell you guys some differences I'll do in the settings, but other than that, we'll go ahead and leave it all to the truck. I wanted some windshield wipers there. Too much fun. All right, I think I'm already going to go ahead and try Baja mode here. All right. Let's go ahead and swivel it over here. Normal off-road Baja. I think it's going to want to go into 4 high automatically, so we'll wait for that. Go back to 2 high. And then we're going to go ahead and turn traction control off again. Even though it says it's off, you got to hold it down once more. Cool. We're going to go ahead and keep it automatic, and then we'll try paddle shifters in a second here. Pre-collision assist not available, not worried about that. Man, that is too much fun. As much as I like shifting like manuals in cars and stuff like that, I feel like in this kind of situation, it's kind of best to let the truck do its thing, but just for fun, we'll go ahead and throw it in manual. And I just feel like I might be too busy with a 10-speed trying to find the paddles when they're moving, when I'm steering and stuff. But we'll try it out. We're in manual now. Yeah, I was trying to grab third and the steering wheel was just kind of upside down. Maybe it's a learning curve. Alright, so this is my first time trying to do a POV drive with this thing, little Insta360, and turns out they overheat pretty easily, so might have got interrupted there. Alright, back in Baja. This time I'm going to go ahead and just leave it automatic. I feel like I can enjoy the drive, kind of oversteering a little bit more doing that. So, going with the paddle shifters, just going straight to automatic. Man, I think we need to let the truck and all the cameras cool down, but man, that's a fun rip. I thought I'll just kind of spare the talking, let the truck do some of the talking here, because I put a mic by the exhaust. Maybe I'll use it, maybe I won't. But anyway, go ahead and let her cool down some. Maybe one more quick final walk around through it. Picked up some dust for sure. About 4,500 miles, and I was pretty easy on the first 1,000 of it. Other than that, it's kind of been being daily used on the street or just romped around on the property, and it's just been so much fun. It's been taking it really well. So we have a pretty good baseline of what to expect with a stock truck, but pretty soon I think I'm going to go ahead and just get it tuned with a Ford ProCal tune. I'll be sure to keep you guys posted on some of the impressions I pick up on, but that does it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. See you guys next time.